Hey everyone, I want to do this quick video on AD 2026, the 26th day of April. Now, first of all, Trump is doing something from April 19th to May 1st, 14 days. Number 2 is the magician. He's got 2 Chronicles 7, 11 through 22 that he read in the Oval Office. And remember, when I started my book, I said, if my people will humble themselves and pray and call out to me by my true name, then I will heal their land. 2 Chronicles 7:14. I had it written all over my Mazda when I started my book, Clearing My Heavenly Father's Name, 10 years ago. Now, I want to tell you, the Platsky versus CIA case is a pro se action for injunction relief, and that the court should have... The Supreme Court said that the judge is supposed to be the guardian of my Constitution, my inherent rights for relief. And they're supposed to teach you the correct form. That case proved it at the Supreme Court, that they're a guardian of your inherent constitutional rights for damages against the Federal Bureau of Investigation and CIA. Anyways, with the Trump thing, Mars, the Roman god of war, is on Tuesday. And so he's doing some kind of ritual here. And I heard that he got an assassination. Something happened yesterday. And when you mess with the righteous, the left, like the Creator said, he will destroy my enemies on my left and my right. I got my left hand, which controls the right side, my right and my left, and they take your prints, your handprints, when you get a charge. But my citation number starts with an FG, which I know stands for field goal, and, force of gravity, my firm ground, my finished good, my fine gale, my effing genius, excuse my French, my fucking Jesus. Genius, when I say F, I mean I'll fuck to flip the tables on them. My first generation, my First Fidelity Bank, a fighter group, a foreign going merchant navy qualification, various. But anyways, I wanted to share with you that the Verizon Master Trust is worth 9 figures, and I already did a claim. I got a case number months ago fighting with these cell phone companies because I know that they're stealing everyone's trust through these phones. That's why I put the codes I did in my last video. But I already got an account number for my transfer pin. I'm several steps ahead of them. And, what they've got going on in the system is highly fraudulent and illegal. And there's a woman on TikTok that did a video about your master trust with Verizon. And I've already claimed my master trust with Verizon, with TikTok, with AT&T, with like all of these organizations.
Hey, this is part 2.
I'm trying to find it.
To buy dinner.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to...
It's just, oh goodness, I wanted to share it on here. I don't know how to, let's see, I put it on messages, I know that. Let's see, oh boy, I know, let's see, I pray for, I want this information to go viral, and what I wanted to also share is I'm going to throw the book out at them on this case, the Black's Law Dictionary, and I'm going to show you what the initial M means in the Black's Law 4th edition here, which is based on the King James Bible. It says, this letter uses a Roman numeral, stands for 1,000. It was also no the English law, brand or stigma impressed upon the brawn of the thumb of a person convicted of manslaughter admitted on the benefit of clergy. This letter was sometimes put on the face of Treasury notes of the United States and signifies that the Treasury note bears interest at the rate of 1 mil per centum and 1 per centum interest. U.S. versus Hardiman, 13 PET 17610 LED 113. M also stands as an abbreviation for several words, of which it is initial letter, as Mary, the English queen of that name, Michaelmas, master, and middle. So your Mercy in the middle name, and that's your Michaelmas, your Michael the Archangel. And see, this is why, like King David, who was a man after own heart, David Wilcox supposedly was unalived, and your Michaelmas, he said that he had spoke with Michael the Archangel. This is symbolic, people. It has to do with your middle name. I mean, in cases, they don't usually include your middle name. It's your first and last. So, I speak on my own behalf of that all caps name caveat that was created for me when I was born. And I'm the true owner of that. The true named owner. The 1871 whole life fidelity assurance that's took out on us when we're born, you see. So
Pineal gland in the group of wealthy people
is
active. The pineal gland of the average person
my
is
pineal gland,
which means it's not
they
very active.
Purposely damaged because my eyes were open and I was coming to know the truth. And this is how my neck and my back got messed up with that shot that they gave me against my will, trying to take my will, my estate, my trust at Thoric Hospital in Chicago in August of 2023. And I've claimed my fidelity assurance, and that's all I wanted to say. I hope this video goes viral. You all have a great day.